And here we go. The Motherboard Z390 Taichi Ultimate. This thing is a beast. Let's open her up. Look at that. 10 gigabit internet, 32 gigabit Gen 4 M2 or Gen 3 times 4 M2, USB 3.1 10 gigabit Gen 2. It's even got Wi-Fi built into this sucker. 802.11 AC. Full coverage M.2 heat seat. Now I'm not sure about that. I've heard mixed reviews about if that actually helps or doesn't, but that is a beast. That's a beast. Look how pretty that is. More information about it. More information. Got all the stuff on there. Whole bunch of spec stuff. Alright. It's time to open up the box. Here it is. Start peeling back the foam. Look at that. That is a beauty. All the foam taken off. Looking good. Oh yeah. Now it's time to get my water cooler out and hook up the plate to it. Alright, before we try and get everything else done with the Alpha Cool, we got a Ultimate software setup guide. Quick installation guide. Oh, what are these things? I don't know. I didn't know that people even use them anymore. Oh, does anybody want a postcard? Because now we have a postcard. I'll add that to the girls' collection. She'll love it. And I just read it that quick. I wish y'all could read that fast, don't y'all? I read it in English, Dutch, French, Italian, Espanol, and 2 other languages. I don't know what they are. But this just tells you, you know, I'll read it through, make sure I'm hooking stuff up right. Nice black SATA cables. More SATA cables. Here's our Wi-Fi antenna. A little teeny tiny screw. Another little tiny screw. The back plate thing. And something I'm not going to use. And another little teeny tiny screw. And that's everything in the box. Looks like it's going to be a really powerful board. I can't wait to get it set up. So let me get out of here so I can get some work done.